Don't wait until your car starts giving you problems. Keep it ahead of the game with a professional tune-up service at Hector's Auto Repair in Los Angeles. Tune-ups help your vehicle stay reliable, smooth, and ready for everyday driving. Whether your engine feels rough, your gas mileage is dropping, or your car is due for maintenance, Hector's Auto Repair is ready to help. We work on all brands and all kinds of cars, and we specialize in European vehicles. Stop by 7020 S. Vermont Ave, Los Angeles, California. Call 323-750-3300. Tune it up. Drive with confidence